God. Oh my God, can't even get out the door. Oh! Where's Daddy? Where'd Daddy go? Where'd Daddy go? Did Daddy go outside? Where'd he go? Where'd he go, boys? Can't go outside, you can't get out. It's blocked. It's blocked with snow. Daddy out there? He's opening it up for you. So you guys can go out and go to the bathroom. Unbelievable. Oh, what's that? Who's out there? Is that Frosty the Snowman? Is that Frosty the Snowman? Who's out there? Go get him. Is that Dad? Is that Dad? For Pete's sake, we're snowed in our own house. We can't even get outside. We can't even get outside. It's pretty cold out, boys. Boys and girls. Ready? It's going to open the door for you. Come on, guys. Holy crap. Oh my God, dear. He had to dig us out, didn't he? Is there anything that'll prevent that from happening again?
Huh?
Okay, boys, go outside. Go out with Dad. Go on. Hurry up. Go with Dad. I'm going to put the dog door back on. Blew in the dog door, didn't it? Yeah. Look at that big old...
If I put a tarp up.
I don't know.
Stop it.
Maybe. Go outside, boys. Come on.